3. Jack!
Ayun, magandang hapon po sa lahat ng press people, sa mga kaibigan po namin dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo. And yung sa mga nakatutok sa streaming ngayon, magandang tanghali po
Hindi
sa
pa
inyo.
namin napanood sa first 2. Wala pa, no?
Sa susunod pa yata.
Parang hindi na. Diyan nga!
Hindi
Well,
kaya
depends na
dapat
naman
natin
yan.
abangan.
Hindi. Matutuwa ako. Ako ba?
Pinapasaya ko
Ayun
sila.
nga, EJ, yung kumalito.
Of course. Thank you,
Next,
Jack.
we
Thank
have,
you,
of
thank you,
course-
thank you.
Yes, next we have, of course, Mickey Jimenez.
Good afternoon po everyone. We're officially back. So, yun nga po sana na-enjoy nyo and please bear with us kasi first time din tayo panood yung ginawa namin this past few weeks, months. So, let's have yung amats lang na enjoyin lang natin. Then, yeah. Thank you guys.
Nakaka-inlove yung character niya sa reunion, ano? Tapos naririnig niyang yung love ni, kay, di ba, nakakatawa. Yung kay Zijan tsaka sa Yuli. Yung kilig part,
Yes.
sana all may ganun tayo, di ba?
Oo, at yun talaga yung aabangan because kasama din natin, of course,
Another child
we have,
wonder.
yes, Zijan Heranilia.
Z!
Hello everyone, magandang hapon po. Maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo at sana suportahan rin po natin yung High Street katulad ng pagsuporta nyo noon sa senior high. At sana nag-enjoy kayo. Maraming salamat.
We had fun, of course.
Super enjoy na agad ko yung first 2 episodes. Of course, we have Kian Cipriano.
Nakaka-inlove dito, Halatang mahal na talaga siya.
Gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo sa suporta sa show namin. And salamat sa oras nyo, salamat dahil alam namin tutulungan nyo kami to spread the word. And ako, maging parte lang nitong napakalupit na cast na to, napakalupit na team, mga director namin, buong production. Maraming salamat, Dreamscape, for coming up with this wonderful material.
Of course.
Yes, we love that, yung babe, no? Yung
Oo.
babe din ang Miss Angel. Alright, of course, we also have here Ralph De Leon.
Who's a member of a new cast ng
Yes.
Anya.
Unang-una po maraming po salamat sa lahat po ng press at media na sumuporta po sa amin today. Alam ko po, hindi pa ako napakita sa first 2 episodes pero marami po umaabangan.
Sa next
So,
year,
sa
ba?
next-
Sa week 4 yata mapapakita.
Week 4.
Sad. Alright, we also have AC Bonifacio.
AC!
Yes po! Hello po everyone! I'm AC Bonifacio. Thank you so much for coming here today. Thank you for taking the time to be here and thank you for the continuous support from Senior High to High Street. Thank you for also welcoming me, the cast, as a newbie here. It's just been such an honor. Kaya maraming salamat.
Ace, alam ko bago yung character mo. Alam ko namang hindi lang yan basta young reporter. Alam ko may pupuntahan pa yan. What can you assure your followers? Kasi first, pakilang
Oh no!
diba?
Bawal po ako mag-spoil! Basta
Ano
ngayon
ka?
po,
Don't
I'm
overshare.
so...
Just tell us
I'm-
how exciting the character is.
What you guys are doing now, that is what I am doing as Nikki in the show. That is what she is. And she will grow in that job, in her passion with Wesley and Sky po.
Alright. Oo, direct siya kay Scott.
Parang may pagkakikay doon si
Tamad na reporter. ano?
Somehow nakita ko yung sarili.
Ayaw, interview ng part floor. Sumuko agad.
But anyway, I think we'll see more of AC Jan for sure. Of course, we also have Harvey.
Harvey! Hearts na! Ano bang brand ng camera mong talaga?
Paiba-iba palagi eh. Mali sa continuity.
Mayaman ang show.
Pero ayun po, thank you po for being here. Thank you po for being here.
Go na.
I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Siyempre, ayun, first time nga po namin makita yung cut na napanood po natin lahat. I hope you enjoyed. Siyempre, thank you sa Dreamscape and this whole team for accepting the 3 of us dito sa family ninyo. Exciting, kinakabahan ako, pero yeah, thank you so much.
Alright.
Of course, ang newly engaged. We have Tommy Alejandrino.
Ang may dance prod ng Marry Me, Marry You.
Hello po, thank you so much for coming. Sana po na-enjoy niyo yung
Dance
dance namin. Sana more pa. Hindi, tama na. Okay na yung isa. Tama na yan.
Of course, we also have Jella Ataide.
Hi, Jelena.
Hi everyone! Thank you for being here.
Yeah, I just want to say that this is just the start. There's so much more to come. Nagsisimula pa lang po yung show, and we hope that you enjoyed what you saw, and we hope that you will enjoy what's to come. Yeah.
Siya yung nag-invite for the reunion na tapos almost everyone made it. Alright. Next naman, oh Diyos ko naman itong next naman. Ano ba? Ana Santos!
Love the character.
Hello, hi everyone. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're excited to watch the next episodes because we're also very excited to go on with High Street, and I hope you I hope you like the character, where they're going, as I do. And as you know, my hubby here. That's just as crazy. But anyway, maraming salamat po, and I hope you enjoy. Crazier pala, crazier.
Nakakatakot itong mga to. Ito na po, of course, Vimon Confiado!
Thank you po sa inyong lahat for being here. Actually, first time po namin napanood yun. Ako mismo kinilabutan dun sa mga eksenang kinuna namin ni Direk Onat and Direk Lino. Pero promise, wala pa po yun. Parang introduction pa lang ng mga characters. Mas grabe ang magiging mga susunod na kabanata. Ibang-iba.
Alright.
Intense.
Saka nakakainis talaga yung character ni Sir Mon. And talaga.
Natutulog, nainis ka, wala nang ginagawa.
Saka alam mo yung acting talaga na hindi ka naman nakakapagsalita ng lines.
Ay,
Talaga.
Pinabubuhay na mamatay, tapos biglang nagka-flatline, tapos buhay na naman.
At sisigaw ka talaga ng sobra para mabuhay. I
Tapos
love that.
ito close up si Ana Abad Santos with that, oh my goodness, unbelievable performance, ang husay.
Alright, of course, next we have Miss Dimples.
Thank you. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Alam mo kasi bagong salta ako, so nalalamig yung kamay ko katabi kasi ko. Kung nakakatakot ka pala. Alam niyo po ba si Kuya Mon, syempre magkatrabaho na kami also with Direk Lino back in Once Upon a Time. And as you know, the Mon Confiado has been in the business for 70 years. Sorry! 67 pala! No, but I'm so excited. I'm always very excited, Direk Onat, no? Tayo, and I love you so naman tayo nila Ate Angel. At kami ni Blythe, in Kadenang Ginto. Si JK, nung The Voice Kids pa joke. No, but I'm so happy po that I'm part of the cast. As you know, this is the first teleserye I've accepted after a long break, no? And of course, it should be with Dreamscape. And I was so excited. I'm sure I share the same heart and sentiment when we say we dedicate this particular one for Sir Deo. Kasi as in the passion alone, you feel it on set with everyone, pati our crew, our staff, our creatives. Iba yung pusong dala-dala ngayon because of that. But more than anything, as you know, in my career, I always like working with young people. So, sobrang excited ko po, nakatrabaho ko ulit si Sijan. Si Sijan po, nung katrabaho ko nung hulihan, 2 pa lang siya. Joke pa lang. 1? Ay, pastusan pala talaga dito. No, but thank you for coming, and we love seeing all our familiar faces from the media here. Lahat naman kayo kaibigan namin. So, excited po kami.
Dims, alam mo naman how grateful we are na umoko ka doing this. Alam mo naman, alam mo kung gaano ka-close kay the great Deo and Junang sa Dimples. May mga lunches sila.
Yes.
And I'm happy that she's back with us. All her iconic teleseries have been with Dreamscape.
And Tito EJ, I remember I was able to talk to Miss Dimples, no? Parang 2 weeks ago na ba ata?
Yes, I think.
And nasabi mo, you took a break for like 7 months.
Yes, I did.
And dito ka lang talaga bumalik, kaya naman talaga very happy.
And that was with intention as well, because I've had conversations with Sir Day, and we were supposed to do something else, but as you know, the Lord works in different ways. So this one, I'm so sure ma-excite kayong gawin. Ay, sana lang hindi ako mapatay ni God. Ay, hindi na sure! Talaga pala!
Ay, di pa namin alam kasi ang ganda naman dito.
Ano ba ito?
Saka siya lang yung nahulog sa bike na sobrang ganda.
Ay, sorry po.
Okay.
Alright, we all
Another Deo and Janelle baby. Angel Aquino.
Salamat naman.
Ayaw mo na ng The Great Angel Aquino.
Dea and Renal, baby. Claim ko talaga yan. But maraming salamat for spending your afternoon with us. As a fan of senior high, kasi nung ginagawa namin senior high, pinapanood ko rin talaga siya. And I did not miss an episode. So when I saw this again, yes, I was your fan. when I saw this, I was so delighted to see everyone grow and everyone become their new selves now. Yung mas adult, mas mga nag-adulting na ng mga bata from Northford. So, I hope that you were as delighted as I was watching the 2 episodes. Sobra akong nabitan and I can't wait to see at least the first week. Sana kung first week, siguro mas buo yung experience namin. But yeah, I was so amazed by all the acting.
True.
Miss Anna, grabe naman yun eh. Yun, totoo naman yun. But, and everyone else, I'm sure, kahit yung mga hindi nyo pa napanood kanina, everyone here we all give 100% of ourselves and even more. Because this is something that we're doing for Dreamscape, for Sardeo, and of course for the people who have been supporting senior high and then now high street. Thank you very much for you guys.
Ang gwapo-gwapo niya dito, ano?
Yes.
Umayat eh. Talagang pinagandaan ng season 2, ang part 2.
Doon ko talaga nakita kanina na grabe pala talaga ang Juan Carlos.
Nag-isang Juan Carlos.
Hello. Hi. Good afternoon po everyone. Ay, hindi maganda tignan. Hi, maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng oras sa inyong araw para supportahan po ang High Street. Hindi ko alam ba't dalawang mic kami po. Pero ayun, and I just want... Ano po yata dito? And I just want to say thank you first of all, Dreamscape and ABS for giving me this opportunity. Kasi naalala ko kay Derek Onat nung senior high, sabi ko, Derek, baka naman pwede humingi ng tagtag scenes lang kahit paano, di ba? Tapos di ko naman yan nakala isang buong season na ibibigay. So, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. And honestly, it's one of the best things that I spend my time on, especially with all of these people that I'm sharing this stage with. And kasi, I just learned so much, especially from all of these people that I've worked from senior high and then all of the new ones that I'm excited and looking forward to work with. And sobrang nakakatawa lang ng puso, sa totoo lang. And ayun, maraming salamat. And abangan niyo kasi maraming mga pasabak.
Alam mo, nag-mature si Juan Carlos kasi that's the first show namin. Ang kulit-kulit niya nung media. Hindi kulit as before kasi with Kyle. Ngayon, hindi ba siya? Leading man na.
Stop!
Pero maganda talaga yung character ngayon ni Juan Carlos. But of course, we have here Andrea Brillantes.
She delivers every time. Andrea Brillantes!
Sorry po, ang kulit kasi ni Shake. Hello po sa inyo lahat, good afternoon po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung napanood ninyo at sa mga sumuporta po sa senior high at nandun, meron din kaming ganito po ng senior high, maraming salamat. Sana po supportahan niyo ang High Street. Katulad ng pag-suporta niyo po sa senior high. Ayun lang, excited na ako sa mga tanong ninyo so hindi ko na po papahabain pa. Let's do this!
And with that, thank you all for coming. Charot lang, tinapos na.
Done na pala siya. But before that, Tito EJ, again, I know we have like a lot of audience sa online world. Muli, gamitin niyo po ang ating official hashtag for today. That's hashtag high-street-grand-mediacon. And also we have another one. That's hashtag high-street-domination. Ayan, napakadami niya. Daming dash. Daming dash. But of course,
hindi mag-work ang hashtag sa dash. Dash ang hashtag, ha?
So, dapat wala.
Wala, all
So,
the
dapat
way.
okay, so ulitin po natin. Sa ating
Chi, ikaw yan eh. Nasaan si Chi Bautista ng
Alright.
ato? Sige, later on, we
Pwede
will
po
fix
natin
that.
gamitan ng hashtag High Street Grand Mediacon and hashtag High Street Domination.
Ayun.
Ikwento niyo po sa amin kung anong mga gusto niyo makita, maikwento o maitanong sa ating cast. Baka po mabasa po namin yan. Alright. I think it's better if we start now.
Go ahead, Miss Kiniel. It's your ano na.
Alright.
It's your ano now.
It's my time. Okay. Now, I know everybody's so excited na magtanong, pero ang unang question natin ay magagaling, of course, kay MJ Marfori.
Here she is, Miss MJ of TV5 and Mega Entertainment. Ay, may mic siya pa.
Congratulations guys! Sobrang, actually after the first episode, sobrang daming tanong, pero baka ma-spoil. Pero I just wanna congratulate of course everybody, Direk, grabe, from senior high to this is just fantastic. And first episode, ang dami ng gustong malaman ng mga tao. Pero syempre doon tayo sa, of course, sa bagong kay Dimples, yung first question natin. It took some time for you to accept, and now you explain to us why. Now that you did this, what were your preparations? Because we also saw you transform off cam. Medyo nakikita namin parang talagang nag-characterization, nag-immersion ka. Can you tell us? Can you share with us?
Una, salamat kapatid. Thank you so much for being here. Ako siguro, just the preparations really are more psychological. Kasi parang this time we wanna attack it in a way that is mas textured. Hirap pala magsalita. Pagkabawal sabihin. Ako lang siguro parang with this, lagi akong naninimbang. Kasi syempre at the end of the day, dahil pamilyado akong tao, meron akong ipinapalit sa oras na yon. And very precious sa akin yung time ko with my family. So to choose to be outside of that, it has to be, syempre wala naman talagang papantay sa oras ng pamilya. Pero it has to be something that will be of value to other people as well. At may Gen Z ako na anak. So when I think of High Street, I think of Cal, and she's not here. What would she appreciate? What kind of work ang magagawa ko na magiging proud yung anak kong ginawa ko tong trabahong to? Nandun na ako. So yung sa akin, the preparation is really more, una, mawawala ako sa bahay namin. Kasi nag-good morning kapatid pa rin ako. And thankfully, with my Dreamscape family, they allow me to shoot, to do the shows first before I shoot for them. Also, I think physicality. Oo, parang natatakot ako, parang may sinasaktan ba sa labas? Kasi kung may sinasaktan sa labas, baka gusto muna nating tignan yun na. Pero ako siguro, parang yung preparation lang namin nila Direk Onat and Direk Lino, mas conversation about how to pace the character. Mas nandun kami kasi kilala ang senior high for dropping bombs here and there and now and tomorrow. Now, for my character, it has to mean something at some point. And dapat, yung hindi ko pa nagagawa dati, yun naman yung laging binibigay ng Dreamscape sa akin nila, Direk Eric, na bago dun sa pwede kong i-offer. I think yun yung mahirap kapag lumaki ka na sa industriyang to. Yung challenge na is not even to compete with anyone but yourself. Pag tinignan mo, I hope hindi nila ma-remember si Daniela dito. I hope hindi nila ma-remember si Celine dito. May mga ganon na kami.
Thank you. Actually, hindi namin alam kung mabait ka dito o hindi.
Ako din eh.
Oh,
para lang alam nyo, ako rin, hindi ko rin alam.
Oh! And thank you so much.
Thank you.
My next question is for the directors, Direk Onat and of course Direk Lino, because yun nga po, no, yung senior high, it dropped bombs and it opened conversation, especially to the Gen Z. And dito parang ang dami rin. We saw, without spoiling too much, no, we touched on tech, we touched on hacking, journalism as well, and the truths. Ano po yung naging deliberation nyo before nyo naisip na ito yung mga subject matters, no, that should be talked about, especially in such a huge platform that you have? Direk.
Malawak po ang naging conversation with the creative people, the creative team, with the writers in choosing the issues that you'd want to incorporate into the story. Kasi kung naalala nyo naman yung senior high talaga, it's a story that revolves around this suspense, mystery, drama, murder, mystery. Pero nakapaloob doon yung maraming mga relevant issues. And we tried, yun ang pinaka-naging brand nung show. And this being a continuing part of that series franchise. So sabi namin, kailangan ganun din yung flavor. It's a suspense mystery story, but it also incorporates very relevant themes and issues na relevant sa mga audience natin, particularly in this age group na kinabibilangan ng mga bida natin. So yeah, it's we tried also to include issues that we haven't touched yet before para hindi magkaroon ng repetition ng mga kasi malawak yung na-cover na ng senior high. So pinili namin masusi yung mga issues na malatakil ngayon, and you'd be surprised some of the issues are kind of related to the issues that we have touched in senior high, pero somehow merong kakaiba at fresher approach. And lalo na sa mga mas older generation, you'd be surprised at some of the revelations that we show na issues na kinasasadlakan ng mga Gen Z. Kasi meron kami na-touch na minsan parang, ay, may ganun palang kina-involve ang mga batang to ngayon. It's going to be an eye-opener for para to audience, I think.
Looking forward. Thank you po. Direk Lino, you want to add to that?
Yeah, ako siguro what's interesting rin yung interplay ng generations. Sa trabaho natin, sa pamilya natin, there's always yung interplay ng iba't ibang mga henerasyon. Parang nung huling beses ako nag-direct, ibang gen yung mga kasama ko. Ito, dealing with Gen Z is very different, and something I learned while doing this show is yung Gen Z, we always talk about the beauty of how they embrace yung diversity. That's something our generation admires from you guys, yung tolerance nyo, how you embrace diversity in each other. But I think something na natutunan ko naman sa show, di ba, yung beauty naman of the collective. Na Gen Z is so interesting individually, but also together. Huwag natin i-underestimate yung generation na to, because they will do great things. And I think this show is something that will show na pag magkakasama sila, when they work together, they can possibly overcome evil things.
Yes, go.
Mas ganyan kasi tinweet ba to ni Direk Lino na new show? Kasi it came in na medyo buo yung, di ba, with Direk Onat Diaz na senior high. Did you treat this a new show or parang nag-adjust ka rin, Direk Lino?
Yeah, ano siya, parang I came in 2 weeks before, buo na ang script,
Okay.
buo na ang cast. So parang apprentice ako ni Direk Onat dito. I'm learning about the show. I'm learning about the characters when I talk to all of the individuals. And ako yun yung beauty ng paggawa ng show. The things you learn while doing it and the things that you discover. So may mga eksena kami dito na after it's done, you discover something new. And I think that's beautiful. That's the beautiful thing about what we do.
Kasi after 5 years naman na Direk, so all together parang new show na rin talaga, di ba? New characters.
Right.
Alright.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Direk O.
Si Direk Lino has also made so much contribution to the creation of this new show. Kasi ang dami niyang mga fresh inputs that he has included in the show. Kasi nga bilang siya yung fresh eye. Kami lahat, kaming sobrang immersed na nakalubog na hanggang dito from the previous story. It's so refreshing to have someone with a fresh eye like Direk Lino. Kasi ang dami niyang biglang binabato na oo nga. Dahil hindi natin naisip lahat yun kasi sobra tayong nakalubog lahat at sobra tayong single-minded dun sa approach namin. But he brings out some of the, pero oo nga naman. Bravo ka dun, Direk Lino.
In fairness na. Woo! Thank you for sharing, Direk Onat and
Lagi
Direk
din
Lino.
po may pa-ice cream si
Nasaan ba tayo ngayon? Sa Bonifacio High Street.
Yun ang masarap,
He was once a mayor here.
Saka maganda talaga
Just kidding.
maganda talaga yung makikita na natin talaga. Very close naman talaga yung buong production.
Pero ang pagpuproduce hindi bago kay Direk Lino. He has been producing, siya producer ng Bagman, ng bagong Bagman na showing soon.
Yes.
Tapos director, pagiging director lang ang gustong balikan ni Direk Lino ngayon. Di ba? Miss Rain Entertainment, he heads Rain Entertainment.
Yes.
Okay.
Congratulations again to our directors and the cast.